It's a wonderful milestone. Rain is a blessing, first of all. We're on schedule. This is the new Creative Media Center at the University of Hawaiʻi at West Oʻahu, but it's also a building designed and built by the system, really for the whole system.
I don't get to experience it for the full 4 years, but for upcoming students, I'm extremely jealous for them because they're gonna, I don't know, it's just, I feel like everybody's gonna be very stoked.
So this is probably the most advanced student-focused production center in the islands. Maybe the most advanced, technologically advanced building in the islands in general because of everything it incorporates. It's all industry standard if you came in with a Hollywood production, but it's designed for student production because we want them to work at the highest standards.
Well, it's important because our program is growing. You know, when I came here, it was still kind of new.
The ACM system currently works with 17 programs at all 10 campuses. So this is just one of the things that we're doing right now, but it's certainly the most exciting.